Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can view real-time footage of your Xiaomi camera. So first of all we have to pick our camera and then click right here to show real-time footage. And as you can see, here we got the preview of our currently view. Take a look, I'm going to move my hand and it is showing on the camera. It's more small delay, about 1 or 2 seconds, but as you can see it's working good. When you tap on it you are able to enable the voice. So right now you'll hear this double sound. I'm gonna mute it, and if you want to make a call or make the voice announcement, just tap right here and you can make something like that. So you can call with the voice effect, welcome, or the normal voice, hello, and you can end it right here. And by tapping right here you can save the photos, or by tapping here you can start recording. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.